Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 5 best benefits of spearmint tea and how to make it in 2 simple steps. Spearmint tea is a refreshing beverage made from spearmint leaves. Spearmint tea has numerous antibacterial properties that help strengthen your immune system. If you are suffering from nausea, spearmint tea actually helps to relieve the discomfort. Spearmint tea is well known for its hormone-regulating properties, and it helps reduce unwanted body hair growth in women. Spearmint tea is often topically applied to the skin for relief from muscle and joint pain. Spearmint tea is a caffeine-free alternative for all those coffee drinkers who may want to decrease their coffee consumption. Making spearmint tea is easy. You just need some spearmint leaves and water. Add spearmint leaves to a pot of boiled water and let them steep for about 10 minutes. Put on some relaxing music while you wait for this soothing brew. Strain the concoction in a cup and add some lemongrass for even more flavor. With all these benefits and an easy recipe, spearmint tea is definitely a tea to always keep on hand. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.